a little bit of a rainy morning and cold. It's about 1 degree right now, but it's supposed to go up to about 8. I'm not sure what the forecast for the day. As you can see, we got a crap kind of snow there last week, and it's starting to melt again. But yeah, we weren't expecting that much snow. Hopefully it's all done for the year. Cross my fingers, knock on wood. I just hit my head. Yeah, so we're gonna see how far we can make it in the woods with this amount of snow. So anyway, thanks for joining me on this run, and we'll see you guys up the trail. Seems to be that whatever path Bruce takes, we all take, because it's just like running on rails right now. It just wants to pull you left, right, and center. I prefer the center part of that. Come on. There's a lot of snow. If you're a skier, you know what this snow is called. It's called corn snow. It's just like it's like crystallized snow. It's really loose. It's almost like snow sand. So it's going to suck back the fuel and suck back the power. Really no sense in taking it out of four-wheel drive. Oh man, come on. Just fight this thing. Talk to me about putting the bike into 2- and 4-wheel drive while moving. Yeah, the manufacturers normally say, oh, stop the bike and do this and do that, but you know, if your front wheels are traveling at the same speed as your back wheels, those gears will mesh up pretty easy. So there's no damage. I've had this bike since 2004, and still get the stock front diff, so no, I wouldn't throw it in the diff lock on the move or nothing like that, but I might have to lose this balaclava soon. It's already starting to warm up. It's supposed to go up to 8, like I said this morning. Well, we just had to deal with a technical difficulty. Guy running the Polaris just lost the jerry can on the back, so we had to figure out a way to strap it, because we're all dummies and we all didn't bring a extra set of ratchet straps with us. I normally do, or something like that, but anyway, we got her, and he came up with a code. He's running I don't know what year it is, but a Polaris XP 1000, and it had I don't know what word hate is. It had a ECU memory code. So if anybody in the comments section rides a Polaris and knows what that is, help your brother out. Just if you know what it is and how to fix it, yeah, please let us know, because it went away, but we're gonna keep an eye out for it anyway. He's back there. He lost a jerry can off the back of his bike, so. What's that? Yeah. Oh no, he's got it now. He's just coming up now, so. There he is. try to back down and go up these hills. It's not even a big hill. It's just the snow just eats you. That's a workout. Change of plans. It's now raining. Pretty good. It's raining. So we're not going to go to Ponic, around Ponic. We're going to go to Armstrong Lake and then turn around because it's getting pretty rough. It's not a washout, but yeah, you can tell the conditions that we got to do here, and we really don't want to do another 40K of this, 40 kilometers of this type of running. Arms are getting tired. Oh, I have to take my glasses off. I'm just following taillights right now. This thing's just like a buzzsaw going through the snow. Oh man, I'm just getting thrown left right here. The rain let up for a little bit, but we're still breaking trail. Still pretty drizzly. It's too bad we couldn't make our destination today, but I mean, we've gone, I don't know, that trip odometer's not reset, but I think we've gone over 65 kilometers so far, so we're just heading back to the trucks now, but yeah, can't do it. We'll do it another day once all the snow's gone. Overheat.
What's that?
Overheat.
Overheated, okay.
Well, we're going to the little Vaughn Corner store, and that's going to be it for us, because we're all soaked and cold. So thanks for joining me on this run. This was a Good Friday run. It's actually Easter weekend, so happy Easter weekend to everybody there, and we'll see you next run. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Raw Guy out.